This video from Casio Help, we're going to demonstrate how to perform a factory reset on the SE-C450 register. So this process will reset the programming data back to the Casio default and it will wipe all totals back to zero. Only proceed if you're happy with that scenario. First of all, you turn the PGM key round to the off position and then press and hold down the feed button. While holding the feed button down, turn the key to PGM and then release feed. You now type in the code 17240 and press the subtotal button. The machine will now perform the initialization. You'll know it's complete because it will return you to the main program mode settings and you'll get a small receipt printout. You can then stay in the program mode to reprogram the register or turn the key to off mode. At the end of this video there will be appearing links to our other videos showing you how to program and use the SE-C450, which you're welcome to watch. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.